We are continuing our inverted bob haircut. We are razor slicing the fringe. We are cutting her hair dry. She has a sodium hydroxide relaxer. We use clippers, scissors, and a razor for this haircut. We begin by visualizing where we want the fringe to fall. We've isolated a V-shaped panel right at the top of her forehead. We're using her nose and lip as our length guide. You see right here how it's fall just below her nose, right there on her lip. We're going to cut more, and instead of chiseling straight across, we're slicing the ends at an angle. We're holding the section smooth and taut. Notice the angle that we're holding the razor, and see how we're carving. We're not trying to cut it all off in one slice. We're chiseling and carving. We want the ends to be a bit irregular. You see this V formation? That is so important. That determines how the fringe will lay. You see how now we're carving down to our length. We don't want this bang area to be blunt straight across. And this is why. We want it to always fall naturally at an angle, no matter what's going on. If the wind is blowing, if it's naturally coily, if it's straight. When the hair is cut precisely, your style is effortless and it always looks good. So we're going in for the finish with the length. You know, from beauty school here, we're cross-checking to make sure that the lengths are balanced on the right and left side. Notice the finger angle. It's holding both of the ends, both tips in the fingers, using that as a guide and following through with the razor. This is the end of the inverted bob haircut. We used a razor, we used scissors, and we used clippers. Please give us a thumbs up if you find our content helpful, and click that subscribe button so you can watch all of our future haircut videos. If you just want to do this haircut today on your client, you can go to our platform at beautywellnesshaircare.com/buy hair videos, and you can watch and learn from this inverted bob haircut.